Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet this lovely hat. It's easy pattern and tutorial is step by step. Only use short crocheting skill. Magic ring and make a chain. 10 short crochet into the ring. Please attention, hook goes from the up of the yarn, not bottom. That's the difference with normal short crochet. The first one, mark it with clip. The second short crochet. The third. We make 10 short crochet at last. Close the ring. Now the first stitch of the second round. Mark it with clip. And make another short crochet in the first stitch. Into every stitch of the first round make a short stitch, so we will get 20 stitches. We finished the second round now. It's the first stitch of the third round. Mark the first stitch with clip. Make one short stitch into every stitch of the second round, so there will be 20 stitches in total. Now the fourth round. Be sure mark the first stitch with clip. Into the second stitch make 2 short crochet. Repeat as 1 short crochet, next 2 short crochet. We will get 30 stitches in total. Now the fifth round. The fifth round is all short crochet 1 by 1, 30 stitches in total. Now the sixth round. Same as the fourth round, repeat 1 short crochet, 2 short crochet. We will get 45 stitches in total. Now the seventh round. All short crochet 1 by 1, 45 stitches in total. Now the eighth round. Short crochet, next short crochet, next short crochet, next long short crochet. It's the rule of the eighth round. 1, 2, 3, 2 in 1. That's one group. Repeating this rule 11 times, the last stitch is short crochet. We will get 56 stitches in total. Now the 9th round. All short crochet 1 by 1, 56 short crochet in total. Now measure the diameter of the top is 15 centimeters. This size is for age from 4 to 6 years old. For age from 0 to 2 years old, diameter should be around 13 centimeters. You need crochet only about 5 rounds. For age from 2 to 4 years old, diameter should be around 14 centimeters. You need crochet only about 7 rounds. Now we are going on as a size for age from 4 to 6 years old. The first round of the hat body. This part is very easy. Every round is 56 short crochet. We crochet about 10 rounds. You can wear it to test how many rounds you should crochet. Finish the body now, and we are ready to create the brim of the hat. Increase into every stitch. We will get 112 stitches in total. Increase is to short crochet into 1 stitch of last stitch. The second and the third round of the hat's brim is same. We'll short crochet 1 by 1, 112 stitches in total every round. Now we finish the third round. Cut off the yarn. Hide the tail. Now we're going to crochet the ears. Magic ring. Chain 1. Make 6 short crochet into the ring. Close the first round, now the second round. Mark the first stitch with clip. Chain short crochet into every stitch of the first round. We will get 12 stitches in total. Now the third round. Or short crochet 1 by 1, 12 stitches in total too. Now the fourth round. One short crochet next to short crochet. That is one group. repeat 6 times. We will get 18 stitches in total. Now the 5th round. 4 short crochet 1 by 1, 18 short crochet in total 2. Crochet another 7 rounds, 18 stitches per round. Now done 13 round. Decrease 1 stitch here. Repeat 8 times, we will get 9 stitches in total. Cut off the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. That's 1, crochet another 1. Fold the first one. Fold the second ear. Sew them together. Adjust the style. Fix it on the top. Now we get the lovely hat for kids. Thanks for watching.